This tutorial explains how to install the iManus portal as a standalone web application, similar to a desktop app. You can use this method with common browsers such as Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Firefox. To begin, open your browser and go to apptheimanus.com. If you are using Firefox, click the Install option in the browser menu as shown here. After installation, iManus will open as a standalone window. You will also see the iManus icon on your taskbar. To keep it there, right-click the icon and select Pin to Taskbar. If you are using Microsoft Edge, go to apptheimanus.com and click the Install option in the browser. Follow the prompts to install iManus and use it as a standalone web application. If you are using Google Chrome, go to app.imanus.com, click the Install option in the address bar or browser menu, and follow the prompts to install the app. After installation, iManus will open as a standalone application, giving you an app-like experience on your desktop.